Yes, hello everyone. So again we are moving into the discussion of logarithmic property practice session based on the same. As I told, yes, properties and logarithmic graph inequalities we have studied in the previous lecture. This session it is purely based on practice, right? Based on the same we are going to solve some question. One question we have solved previously. Yes, some few more questions we are going to solve for the day today, right? Yes, first question, those who want to practice with by themselves, definitely they can pause the video and 3 minutes they can take to solve each question, right? Afterwards they can continue with the solution part. Okay, see this question, value of x satisfying this equation. Okay, we'll see log 4 2 log x plus, sir, here we are having base as 4 and here we are having base as 2. What to do? Better to create base as 4. So to create base as 4 we can use either base change property or else some common sense. If we are using, let's say I'm multiplying divided by 2. Okay, we'll be having log of, yes, 2 log 4x. That is what we are having. They are telling like it is equal to 2. Now you people help me, if we are having log m base a power beta, so we can write it as 1 by beta log m base a. So this 1 by beta, if ahead we can convert it into this form in order to create base as 4, right? So you people help me out here. Sir, this will be converted into log 4 2 log 2. Okay, here also we are having 2 log 2. What I will be doing here, let's say again I'm multiplying divide by 2 here. So here we'll be getting 2 into 2, right? So we'll be getting actually 4 here. This 1 by 2 will be moving inside, we'll be getting base is 4x, right? Plus 2 times this 1 by 2, again if it is moving inside, what I'll be getting, tell me? Log of base 4 2 log 4x. This is what we are going to get. Tell me, yes or no? In that case, you people help me out here. This 2 we can write it as in the power of this. Are yes or no? Now log m into log n. Are log m into log n. You people help me out. What it is? Tell me. Log m into log n. Log mn, right? So log m plus log n. That we can write it as log mn, right? That we can use. Base are 4 here. Okay. So base here will be using 4. So here what I'll be getting? Log 4. Yes, inside what I'll be getting? These two will multiply. So it will be getting 8 times log x base 4 whole cube. Are yes or no? If you are multiplying these two, and which is equal to 2, they are telling like, okay. Now all of you help me here. Yes, 4 square will be getting here, right? If this 4 will be moving other side, anti logarithmic form if we are taking, will be getting 8 log x base 4 whole cube, that is equal to 4 into 2, which is 8. So log x base 4 whole cube, that is actually equal to what? 1. In that case, if I'm taking cube root, so log x base 4, 1 cube root is again 1. So x is equal to what? 4. 4 power 1, 4 will be getting it over there, right? This is what we're having the answer. Value of x, which is 4, it is going to satisfy this equation. Done. Next question, everyone. Value of x satisfying this equation, okay, is equal to 1, where base of logarithm is 10. Yes, easy question it is. We'll see. Say if I'm taking log x is equal to t, base is 10, right? So this equation, or instead I'm taking b. So what I'll be getting? 1 minus 2. Okay, let me know what is log of x square. We can write it as log of, or 2 times log x, right? So 2 times p whole square, okay, divided by p minus 2p square, and they are telling like it is equal to 1, isn't it? Again, in that case, if I'm cross multiplying, 1 minus what, 4 into 2, 8p square, that is equal to p minus 2p square, isn't it? Everything on the other side. What I'll be getting here? Help me here. 8p square minus 2p square, 6p square plus p minus 1, that is equal to 0. 6p square plus 3p minus 2p minus 1 is equal to 0. From here 3p common out of it, we'll get 2p plus 1 minus 1, 2p plus 1 is equal to 0. So in that case, we'll get 3p minus 1 and 2p plus 1 is equal to 0, right? So p is equal to 1 by 3 or p is equal to minus 1 by 2, isn't it? So in that case, base is 10, okay? We'll see. Now everyone, if p I'm taking minus 1 by 2, what I'll be getting in the denominator? Yes, denominator will equal to 0, so we cannot take minus 1 by 2 for sure. Why? Because in that case, denominator will be equal to 0, which is not possible for us. If it is so, if I'm taking p is equal to 1 by 3, that means log x base 10, that is equal to 1 by 3, isn't it? So what I'll be getting, x is equal to 10 to the power 1 by 3. Which option? C option is the absolute correct answer, isn't it? Tell me. Yes or no? Done? So this is what we are having the question. Next, sir, log x base 2, okay, less than equal to, yes. So again I'm doing the same work. Log x base 2, I'm assuming it as p. So what I'll be getting, the equation provided, sir, x must be greater than 0, right? X must be greater than 0. Why? Because log is only defined when x is greater than 0, inside value is greater than 0, so that we need to keep it in mind. So sir, few option, this option is absolutely incorrect from the very beginning, right? We cannot take x as negative because log is defined with 3 conditions. Yes, okay. So in that case, we'll be getting 2 times log x base 2, or else I'm taking it as p, right? So yes, now you people help me out here. We are having p is less than equal to 2 times p minus 1. We are knowing it is cross multiplication is not possible, so I'm subtracting this value from each side. Now if I'm taking LCM, LCM is p minus 1, we'll get p square minus p minus 2 less than equal to 0. Yes, minus 2p plus p minus 2, p minus 1 less than equal to 0. Yes, you people help. P minus 2 into p plus 1 by p minus 1 less than equal to 0. What are the zeros? Zeros will be getting 2 and minus 1. Poles, it is 1. On the number line, what I'll be plotting, all of you? On the number line, we'll be plotting, yes, minus 1, 1, 2, plus, minus, plus, minus. Right? We required less than equal to 0 means p belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Yes, p belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Minus 1 will be having close, union 1 will be open and 2 will be closed, because 1 is a pole, right? Equality symbol is there, so pole we need not to include in the answer, but zeros we need to include. Okay, that means p is less than equal to minus 1, or p is greater than 1 but less than equal to 2, isn't it? Okay, what is p? Log x base 2 is less than equal to minus 1. In that case, you people help me out here. If log x is less than equal to minus 1, what is x? X is less than equal to 2 power minus 1, which is 1 by 2, right? Okay, that means from here we can say x belongs to minus infinity to 1 by 2. Okay, from here p log x base 2, it is between 2 to 1. Yes, this or this, right? So we need to take union of these two. So from here x belongs to what? 2 power 1, which is 2, 2 power 2, which is 4, 2 to 4. So 2 to 4 is the correct answer, and minus infinity to half is incorrect. Why? Because our x must be greater than 0, so we can easily say x belongs to 0 to half is also our answer. Any option which is 0 to half? I think no. Yes, D option you check. D option, 1 by 5 to 1 by 4. It is definitely belonging in this region. Yes, that is also correct answer. Yes. So C and D is the correct answer for us. Right? Why not A? Because clearly we are knowing x must be greater than 0, then only logarithm is defined. Otherwise logarithm is not defined. Log is always defined with 3 condition: x greater than 0, A greater than 0, A not equal to 1. Next question, another question, right? Multi-correct it is also. Again, your help is required. You people will be helping me out. Look, if it is written x to the power m is equal to x to the power n, that means m is equal to n. Yes or no? So, sir, this is 1 by x square, which is x to the power minus 2. So, this value must be equal to what? Minus 2, isn't it? Tell me. Yes. So, clearly what we can see here? Yes. If I'm solving this question, we are having log x. So, that means it is 2 times x base 3. Property I have used. log x base 3 whole square minus 10, that must be equal to minus 2. Okay, log x base 3 if I'm assuming as p, so this will be p square plus 2p minus 8 is equal to 0, isn't it? P square plus 4p minus 2p minus 8 is equal to 0. We'll get p plus 4 and p minus 2 equal to 0. P is equal to, tell me, minus 4 and p is equal to 2. What is p? We have assumed as log x base 3, which is equal to minus 4. Yes. Now what I'll be getting p value as? X is equal to 3 power minus 4 in that case, correct? 3 power minus 4. Yes. Also with that, what are we getting? P is equal to 2. P is equal to 2 means log of x base 3, it is equal to 2. So x is equal to 3 square, which is 9. And this is 1 by 81. Correct? Now number of real values of x satisfying is 2. Okay. 2 real values of x satisfying. The sum of all integral values of x satisfying is integral values of x. Wait. X equal to 1, is it satisfying? 0, 0, minus 10. No. Right? So, in sum of integral value is 9. Product of all the integral values. Product of all integral values we can calculate, which is 1 by 81 into 9, which is nothing but 1 by 9. Yes, D option is correct. Sum of all value, it is not 10. All the x values satisfying is less than 10. Yes, that is correct. Sum of all integral values 10. No, this is incorrect. Right? So A, C, D is the correct answer. Yes or no? Because 1 by 81 plus 9 if I'm doing, definitely it is less than 10. Right? Next question, everyone, there in front of you. Yes. Why I'm solving continuously? Because you are having option to pause the video, right? You can pause the video and solve by yourself accordingly. Yes. So what we are having, product of all the values of x satisfying this equation. This is numerical type question, we'll see. Okay. Log 3x and log of 3 by x. So can I say it is log 3 minus log x? Can I write it likewise? Everyone tell me. Yes. Okay. Plus log of x base 3 whole square. They are telling like it is equal to 1. We'll see. If it is so, we'll try for base change property or something, so that we'll be getting our answer. We can write it as 1 by reciprocal property if I'm applying. What I'll be getting, everyone? Yes, log of 3x base 3 minus, here what if I'm applying the reciprocal property, or else let's say log x by log 3x base 3 if I'm applying, okay, plus log of x base 3 whole square. Why I'm doing so? So that we'll be having same base throughout, right? Okay, in that case, you people let me know. 1 by, we can write it as log mn, log m plus log n, log 3 plus log of x base 3 minus log of x base 3 divided by log 3 plus log of x base 3 plus log of x base 3 whole square. It is actually equal to 1. Now log 3 base 3, 1, and for the time being, let's say I'm assuming log x base 3, it is equal to p. So what I'll be getting? 1 by 1 plus p minus p by 1 plus p plus p square, that is actually equal to 1, isn't it? Yes? Okay. In these two, everyone tell me what I'll be getting. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus p is common out of it, we'll be getting 1 minus p, right? So actually these two terms basically it is equal to, help me here, 1 minus p by 1 plus p. Simultaneously we are having p square minus 1, it is equal to 0. P square minus 1, everyone, can be written as plus p plus 1 into p minus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here p minus 1 is common out of it. P minus 1 common, we left with p plus 1. Okay. Minus, we'll be getting 1 by 1 plus p. Are yes or no? Because here we are having 1 minus p. So if I'm taking p minus 1 common, we'll get minus ahead. That is equal to 0. So from here we'll be getting p minus 1 into p plus 1 whole square minus 1 by 1 plus p. Isn't it? LCM. So from here p minus 1 into, yes, tell me, p plus 1 whole square. p square plus 2p plus 1, 1 cancelled out, will get p square plus 2p by 1 plus p. Now you people help me out. From here we'll be getting p is equal to 1. Okay, we'll be having p square plus 2p is equal to 0. So p is equal to 0 or p is equal to minus 2. These are the three values of p we are getting. So what are the corresponding values of x? Okay, we'll see. Log x base 3 is equal to 1. So from here we'll be getting x is equal to 3 power 1. Okay. Now similarly log of x base 3 it is equal to 0. So from here x is equal to 1. Okay. Log of x base 3 it is equal to minus 2. From here x is equal to 1 by 9. Right? Now what is the product of all three values? 3 into 1 into 1 by 9, which is nothing but equal to 1 by 3. What they are expecting from us? 18 times 1 by 3, which is nothing but equal to 6. And this is what we are going to get. Isn't it? Yes? I hope it is done. Take the screenshot, or else you just pause the video and write accordingly. One more question. Yes. X, y belongs to real positive number. Log of x base 8, log of y square base 4 is equal to 5. Log of y base 8, log of x square base 4 is equal to 7. Then the value of, okay. Sir, if base here it is making some problem. So like let us create base as same, right? If I'm creating base same, then we'll be getting some answer accordingly in that case. Yes, we'll see. Everyone, what I'm having, log of x base 8 plus 2 times log of y base 4, that is equal to 5. Okay. Secondly, basically I'm trying to create base as 8 only, right? Base 8, or let us make base as 2 only. We'll see. Look, this 8 we can write it as 2 cube here, and this 4 we can write it as 2 square here. So we can write 1 by 3 log x base 2 plus 2, if I'm dividing, we'll be getting what? 2 by 2. So we'll be getting log y base 2, it is equal to 5, right? So this is, let's say we are having the first equation. Second equation, everyone. Second equation, if we are sorting it out, we'll be having log of y base 8 plus 2 times log of x base 4. So we'll be getting this time 1 by 3 log of x base y base 2 plus 2 by 2, it is 1. So we'll be getting log of x base 2 is equal to 7. This is second equation, right? Yes or no? In that case, everyone, they are asking for the value of x and y accordingly. We'll see x and y. If they are asking, what we can do? Yes, if I'm solving these two equations, right? Let's say I'm multiplying the first equation by 3. What I'll be getting? Let me know. We'll be getting, or else, yes, first equation by 3, if you are multiplying, we'll be getting log x base 2 plus 3 times log y base 2, that is equal to 15. Let's say this is third equation. Subtract these two. Minus, minus, minus. This and this will get cancelled out. Here we'll be getting 1 by 3 minus 3 into log y base 2, which is equal to 15. 7 minus 15. 7 minus 15, it is actually equal to 8. Minus 8 in fact. So we'll be getting minus 8 by 3 log 2 base y, that is equal to minus 8. This minus 8 cancelled out. Log of 2 base y, that is equal to what? 3. So sorry, y base 2, y base 2, y base 2. Yes, so from here y is equal to 2 cube, that is nothing but equal to 8. Yes, any of the equation you can substitute y value in order to get x. So let's say if I'm substituting y is equal to 8 here, so we'll be having 1 by 3. Let me change the color. Yes, 1 by 3 log of x base 2 plus, if I'm putting 8, log of 8 base 2, that is equal to 5. Now tell me, what is log of 8 base 2? It is 3. So we'll be getting 1 by 3 log of x base 2, 5 minus 3, 2. 3 will be cross multiplying. Log of x base 2, it is equal to 3 into 2, 6. X is equal to 2 power 6. Right? 2 power 6, which is 64. What they are expecting from us? 64 square plus 8 square by 2080. Right? 64 square, which is 64 is 2 power 6. So 2 power 12 plus 2 power 12 plus 64, which is again 2 power 6, right? So 2 power 6 is common out of it. What I'll be having here, 2 power 6 is common out of it, so we'll be getting 2 power 6 plus 1, 64 plus 1, 65. So 64 into 65 by 2080 they are asking for. Yes, check it. 60, just a second. 64 into 65 is 4160. 4160. Yes, so it is basically equal to 2, right? This value will be equal to 2, and that is what we are having the answer as. I hope it is clear to all of you. Tell me, right? If you are having doubt, you can comment down as well, or else you can directly message me afterwards. One more question, everyone. Here we are having 5 power log, yes, 5 power log x satisfying. Base of the logarithm it is 3, it is given to us clearly. Okay, we are knowing a power log x base a, that is actually equal to what? X, right? This property we are knowing. We are going to use this property here. We'll see. Base is 3. So sir, 5 power log x base 3 minus 3 power log x base 3 into 3 power minus 1. Sir, a power m minus n can be written as a power m by a power n, or a power m into a power minus n, one is the same thing, right? So we can write divided by 3 power 1, right? So directly I am writing it as divided by 3. That is equal to 3 power log x base 3 by, multiply by 3 this time, because plus is there in between, right? Minus 5 power log x base 3 by 5. This is what we have. Now this value it is equal to x, and this value it is equal to x. What I'll be having, 5 power log x base 3 minus x by 3 is equal to 3x minus 5 power log x by 3 by 5. This I'm taking on the other side. For obvious reason, this on the other side, right? So in that case, what I'll be getting, 5 power log x base 3 is common out of it, will be getting 1 plus 1 by 5. On the other side, 3x plus x by 3. That is what we are going to get. People help me here. Yes, what I'll be getting, 5 plus 1, 6 by 5, 5 power log x base 3, that is equal to 9x plus x, 10x by 3. Yes, that is what we are going to get it over here. Now, you people, let me know. 5 power log x base 3, that is equal to, yes, tell me, from here, 50 by 18x, right? Or else 5 power log x base 3, that is equal to what? Yes, 50 by 18, that can be written as 25 by 9x. That is what we are having it, right? In that case, अब सर यहाँ से हम लोग इसको सॉल्व करें, या if we can substitute some value directly. If I'm substituting some value directly, let's say, what I'll be getting, yes, any value directly if we can substitute and get the answer. 1 if I'm substituting, it is 0. 2 if I'm substituting, oh, it is not going to satisfy. So if I'm substituting 3, 5 will be getting 4. Let's say 9 if I'm substituting, this 5 square 25. Yes, x equal to 9 if I'm substituting. Yes, everyone, tell me what I'll be getting. 5 power log 9 base 3, which is 2, right? So 5 square, which is 25. But in the RHS, what I'll be getting, 25 by 9 into 9, which is again equal to what? 25. So no need to solve. You can do some hit and trial, and you will be getting x equal to 9 from here. Anyway, you can take log on the both side and you can try to solve accordingly. But better option is you can go for hit and trial some amount of time. Done? Yes. One more question, everyone. Again, the same property, you will be using a power log x base a, that is actually equal to x. Yes. Now in that case, tell me. Yep. Hello. Yes, my voice is clear here. Okay. So here what I can use, everyone. First of all, 2 power log 2 base 1 by 4. Okay, base 2. Now you people will be telling me this 2 I'm eliminating for the time being, right? I'm solving that particular part. That 1 by 4 will be moving into the denominator 1 by 1 by 4. So it is 4 times log of 2 base 2, isn't it? Tell me. And log of 2 base 2, 1. So it is actually equal to what? 4. So this value we are knowing, it is actually equal to 4. Done. Now 3 power log of 5 base 3. Sir, this property if I'm using, this is exactly equal to what? 5. Okay. 7 power. Okay, let it be. Starting with here. 4 log 2 base 49. Can we say it is log of 2 power 4, 16 base 49? 49 we can write it as 7 square. Yes or no? So 1 by 2 log, yes, tell me, 16 base 7. Okay, in that case this 1 by 2, if it is moving in the power of 16, root 16, which is 4, so we'll be getting log 4 base 7. So this is actually log 4 base 7, right? So 7 power log 4 base 7, it is actually equal to what? 4. Now everything is sorted out. First one, 2 power 4, 16 minus 5 minus 4 divided by 4 minus 3. Tell me, 16 minus 9, which is 7 by 1, answer is 7. Yes. So basic logarithmic properties you are using and we are getting the answer accordingly. One more question. Log x base 2, log y base 2 by 6, log z base 2 by 3k. Okay, they are equal. We'll see. Okay. Log x base 2 by 4 is equal to log y base 2 by 6 is equal to log z base 2 by 3k. Let's say it is equal to some p, right? Some ratio it is there. So first and p, if you are comparing, log x base 2, that is equal to 4p. So x is equal to 2 power 4p. Similarly, log y base 2 is equal to 6p. Y is equal to 2 power 6p. Similarly, log z base 2, it is equal to 3kp. So z is equal to 2 power 3kp. And with that is what we are knowing. Now some relation it is given to us, x cube y squared z, that is equal to 1. Okay, we'll try to understand, try to figure out what exactly it is. X cube, everyone tell me. X cube bole to 2 power 4p into 3, 12p, into y squared 2 power 6p square, that is nothing but 2 power 12p, right? Z as it is, that is 2 power 3kp, and which is equal to 1. Yes or no? In that case, 2 power, what I'll be getting? Yes, tell me. 12 plus 3k into p, that is equal to 1. 1 is nothing but 2 power 0. That means this value must be equal to 0. Tell me. That is 24 plus 3k must be equal to 0. P cannot be 0 because it is ratio of something. Ratio of something cannot be 0, right? Okay, so from here 3k is equal to minus 24, k is equal to minus 8, simply we can say. The option is the correct answer in that case. Clear all of you till here? Anyone having any doubt? Let me know. Yes, I'll share this PDF in the group as well. Some good questions we have solved, multi-correct, single correct, all these type of questions we have solved. You can go through all these things, right? And practice accordingly. Clear? All of you? Till here? Right? So that is it with the practice session of the day today, everyone. Yes, we'll wrap it up over here. In the next session, again, we will be moving into some greatest integer function, fractional part function. Two different things we are going to study there. Right? That's it for the day today, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Meeting you in the next class. Thank you.